guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually gonna do a Temu haul with you guys. I have so much things, it's falling over. Got everything from like their top fashion trendy picks. I got a vacuum, I got a marble clothing rack. I got like everything from every category just to test out the quality. So I thought it'd be a fun idea to do a what I ordered versus what I got type of video. And yeah, so if you guys end up wanting any of these items, I do have a discount code. I'll pop it here onto the screen, and you guys just need to put this discount code into the Temu app, into the search bar, and you guys are going to be able to get that discount. And I'll also put in the description box down below all the links to all these products. I have no clue what to expect. It is the clothing rack, the gold clothing rack. Open it up. Oh my gosh, I need something better than these scissors to open this. It has a lot of styrofoam that keeps it nice and safe. But let's check out the gold color, because that is what we're looking at. So that is the color of the gold. Let me know what you guys are thinking down below about it. I think it's gonna be doable. I think from far it's gonna look really pretty. I wanna see. It's actually marble. I wanted this so bad because I saw this girl on Pinterest or Instagram, and she always has this in the background whenever she's doing her clothing hauls. And every time I see it, it's so beautiful because she has all of her pieces for that one outfit all there into the back for her, and like she just grabs from the rack and puts it on, and it's just so nice and elegant, and I wanted it so bad. And so I'm so happy it's here. I can't believe I actually got this off of Temu. So the next one that I got is this glass tumbler. I was so excited to get this because I just didn't know what to expect. I've been wanting one of these for so long. I love the like glass on glass type of sound with the straw hitting the glass, and I've been wanting that ribbed like look. I have nothing like it yet, and I'm trying to build up my cupboards with it. So I ended up getting it. This is what it looks like. It's so thick, it's very durable. It has that ribbed type of look everywhere, so it's super aesthetically pleasing, and it has the glass straw, which I was so nervous that this was going to break during like being delivered here and shipping. I thought it was going to break for sure. I'm like, there's no way that this is actually glass. And I was like expecting plastic to show up, honestly, but this is not plastic. This is so good and thick. And so it came with the whole set. It came with the bottom, the lid right here that you can actually take out the straw and drink just like this if you wanted to, or you can use the straw that came all together, the 3 pieces. I ended up getting this bag right here. Whenever I saw the braided handle, I'm like, oh my gosh, let me try that. I'm so excited about it. This is like one of the prettiest bags ever, and I just know I'm gonna use it all the time. So this is what I actually got, and inside the bag, how nice is that? So I know you guys can't tell, but like I cannot even squish this. The quality is so good. It's very durable. And this whole section right here is nice. It's hard. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to be like, you know, sometimes when it's like dented inwards, it's not going to be like that. The buckle is not flimsy. Whenever I already looked at this one, I'm not going to lie. I already know, like I was so excited to get this bag. And when you open it up, it has a chain. So you can put this as a crossover, like a crossover bag. And yeah, this is so nice. Just the way it closes. Like, oh wait, actually, there you go. It's just so nice. It looks almost like a jewelry box, honestly. And I'm going to have this for my holiday outfits. Like, this is just gonna go with everything. It is so pretty. The gold too. That is beautiful. I think that's like the type of gold that I wanted for my clothing rack, honestly. Like, that's what I was trying to say. This is the gold that I wanted for my clothing rack, but it's still really pretty. I don't mind it, but this is so nice. I am so obsessed. So what I did was I got a second bag, this Trendy square bag. So this is the photo right here of the listing. This is the one that I got. I was expecting it to be bigger. I don't know why, but I was expecting it to be like, I don't know, this size, but this is the perfect size for like an everyday type of outfit. So I'm going to show you guys what I actually got. How nice is that? It's so nice and squishy right here. It's firm. It's like one of those bags that are not flimsy at all. I could see myself getting this at like HomeSense or Winners, definitely I could see it being there because it's really, really nice quality. The zipper right here, super nice. You have all this space and you have a strap on the inside too, so you can put this as a crossover bag as well. The quality of this though, so good. So pretty. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. The next thing, oh gosh, I can't believe I'm gonna show you guys this. I can't believe I even ordered this. It was the most expensive thing out of this whole order. I don't even know how these were on Temu. They're so expensive looking. They're so beautiful. As soon as I saw them, I'll put it right here onto the screen. As soon as I saw them, like I just knew I had to have them and they had to be mine. And I'm so excited to see what I got. So what I got was these. I mean, just look how cute these boots are. They're so pretty. The quality is amazing. I love all the details. It's almost like a blue, purple, and it's like fabric that's actually like 3D almost. I don't know. This is so pretty. I wasn't expecting the heels and the front to be so nice. I love that feeling. And the bottom sole is really nice too. Okay, so the next item I ended up getting, I can't even believe I found this on Temu. I don't even know how you could buy this off Temu. And I did not know what to expect, but I got a vacuum. I got a vacuum, guys. Look how pretty this vacuum is. It's one of those vacuums that you can like put water into, and it's supposed to suck up water. It's supposed to clean your floors at the same time. It is so pretty. Look at this rose gold color. It's charged. I forgot it's charged. Sorry. Was that really loud? But the bottom base looks like this. You have the little mop underneath that you can take off and you can actually wash, put in the wash. So it's always going to be clean. You don't have to keep buying like new parts. It's just like this nice velvet. You can put the waters into this section right here, turn it on and off. And yeah, no, it's really, really nice. So I wasn't sure what to expect. I think you can actually take these little parts here because you get a whole bunch of pieces. And you could take these and then put them onto here somehow. Once I build this, I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. But yeah, no, it's really, really cool. Came into this small little box. Whenever I first saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is like a kid vacuum. And so I'm not gonna lie, like I opened it up, put it together because I didn't know what to expect or what I'm gonna say, because I really thought it was a kid vacuum because it was in like this small little thing. And no, it's actually really tall. It's really good and it works. So that's amazing. I can't believe I bought a vacuum for $37 and it actually works. Like, best purchase ever. All right, so the next one is these stainless steel 14K, I believe, gold bracelets. They're like bangle set, and I wanted this because I actually have a similar bangle set to this, and the gems like fell out, and it was like very cheap, and they actually lasted a long time into the water. So I wanted to test out this one because like I said, like the little gems, like the little, I don't know what they're called, the little diamonds on the inside kind of like all fell out. So I needed to get new ones because it was starting to look really bad. So this is what they look like. They actually have a really good weight to them. So this is what it looks like on. They're so pretty. I'll show you guys up close. I'll go like this so it stops focusing on my face. So they're really pretty. They're actually better than the one that I got that was way more expensive. So we'll see how they hold up into the shower. That's my biggest question because I like to wear my jewelry. I like getting jewelry that I can actually wear into the shower that doesn't get all nasty. The next item that I got were these sunnies. I thought they looked so good onto the girl and I wanted to see what they would look like onto me. So these are what I actually got. You can see it has like this little gold V here onto the side. And I thought it was just such a pretty nice feature. They look really good. Yeah, I think it looks super pretty, super cute. And I like the fact that you can't see my eyes. I love sunnies that you can't see my eyes. Moving on to the next, I ended up getting a phone case for my phone. And I ended up getting this color here. It's this beige, beautiful color. I needed one because I haven't had a case onto mine for so long. And it's starting to crack all into the back. And oh, I'm so obsessed with the color of it. I don't like pure white. I like that type of like pretty, almost pinkish beige. It's almost the same color as my wall. And I just think it's stunning. The thing that I got too was this hair piece. I'm not sure, I don't have my actual hair out right now, but my hair, because I wear wigs, so my hair is this like brown type of color with some highlights. So I ended up getting this clip on and I wasn't sure what to expect, but I think this is really cute. It's synthetic, so I think it was like around $3, maybe $5. And it's just like perfect amount of hair that I could just clip onto the bag and add a little bit of volume. The next piece, I got like a whole bunch of like these little accessories. So I ended up getting this because I wanted to wear this underneath my sweaters. I'm creating a little bit more content now with my Instagram for fashion hauls and stuff. So I wanted one of these that I can easily just put underneath my sweaters and I don't have to actually put a shirt on like this. So just so you guys can see the picture of what I'm trying to say, I think adding a little bit of this would make the cutest outfit ever. I love it. So I ended up seeing this brown chocolate sweater and I've seen this everywhere onto Pinterest. It's so beautiful and I've been wanting it for so long. Like it's been in my favorites on Pinterest for so long. Let me just pull it out for you guys. Let me just roll up the sleeves because that's when it looks like the prettiest. Whenever you get these wide type of sweaters and you roll it up, I could see this being at Zara and selling so quickly just because of how thick and like cozy and how soft it is. It feels absolutely amazing. I love how it goes up too. I can see this being so perfect with like a skirt and I am going to wear this all the time. The one thing that actually is impressing me, because usually whenever you know you get affordable stuff like this, you get like this strong smell of like a chemical smell. I'm not smelling anything. So the next one is this striped sweater right here. I have been wanting a striped sweater like this for so long. The ones that have the block on the top, the wider stripes, and the wide sleeves, and then this block onto the bottom. I have been wanting one. They are so popular and I see them absolutely everywhere. So when I saw Temu had one, I had to get my hands on it and test it out. And again, it doesn't even stink. I put it straight onto my body. Usually I wash all of my like clothes. I do suggest washing your clothes if you're getting from Temu or anything like that, but like I didn't have to. It just didn't smell. And it's really, really nice. I love the quality. It's super thick, very stretchy. I feel so cozy into it. And so I am so impressed with their clothing. If you guys have seen anything here today that you guys want, don't forget to use my discount code into the search bar onto Temu, onto the Temu app, and that's going to give you a bit of a discount. And I will leave all the links in the description box down below for you guys so you guys can go check out any of these items if you saw something you liked. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.